What's up you guys, it's Coach for Techies here, and today I'm going to show you how to upgrade your RAM on a Macbook Pro. Now this Macbook Pro is the mid-2010 model, in case you're wondering. The parts needed for this little project is the two 4GB DDR3 RAM module and one miniature Phillips screwdriver. And it is the 00, just so it's small to get into those crevices. And what you're looking at now is just the RAM module. And what you're looking at now is the Phillips screwdriver. And it is 00, like I said before. And so right now I'm just going to fast forward, and this is basically just unscrewing all the screws and stuff just to take the bottom plate off of the MacBook. So after you unscrew all the nuts and bolts, it should just be able to come off easily. There are 3 screws that are longer than the rest, and there are specific locations for that right here. And just one tip for you, I use an ice tray just to store my little nuts and screws and stuff, just because they're so small and my ice tray happens to be a different color. It just worked out perfectly. And so turn the MacBook onto which direction the RAM module is facing you at. And once you find the right direction, what you want to do is take those little 2 levers right here and then just pull them apart. And once you pull them apart, then the first RAM module should come up, and then you just pull it out like so. And after you pull that one out, it's the same thing as the next one. But this one you have to pull it out for longer because it is under the first module. Alright, and so after that comes out, then it's pretty much the same thing but backwards to install the new ones. Just make sure that the new RAM module is going into the slot right, because there's a smaller side and a bigger side, so just make sure it's going in the right way. And as you can see here, when you go to put it in, just push down and pull the pins so that it's able to fit in nice and perfect. And once you hear that click sound, then you know it's good. Okay, so now after I do that, I'm just going to fast forward this, and I'm going to put the bottom plate back on the MacBook. Bottom plate back on the MacBook, it really doesn't hurt just to go and start up your computer just to see and make sure that the RAM modules went in okay, and make sure that that the MacBook can actually access it, and make sure that it's working perfectly. And so you can see it's turning on, it's working fine. And so now once you get onto your MacBook homepage or the desktop page, what you want to do is you want to go to that Apple logo on the far top left of the screen. And after you go to the Apple logo, what you should click is about this Mac. And after you click about this Mac, then you should see a whole bunch of things about the processor, memory, and startup disk. But what we're interested right here is the memory, and make sure that it says 8GB and whatever megahertz and stuff that you installed on your new RAM module. Alright you guys, thanks so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe, rate, and comment. And if you have any future projects you want to look at or that you want to suggest, just comment down below. Alright, thanks for watching. Peace.